In today's video, I will show you step by step how you can use the Magic Eraser on Google Photos. So this is a very simple thing to do. Go ahead and download and install Google Photos. And then once we have it, you want to choose the photo where you want to erase something. Now, I will choose this photo right here. It's quite an hard photo for AI to remove this bird right here. So what you want to do is you want to click on Edit. And then once you do that, you want to go to the bottom along the little bar right there and then go over to Tools. And here is where you will now be able to select Magic Eraser. Click on Magic Eraser, and here is where you will now need to draw around or select the obviously object that you want to remove. So for example, if I just draw around this bird to the best of my ability, it doesn't have to be perfect, but the more perfect you can get it, the easier the AI will be able to remove this. And then as you'll notice now, that has been removed, and for me it looks quite good. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can use the Magic Eraser on Google Photos.